Hey everyone, welcome back to I Survive Thrive. Today we're diving into food prep and cooking during a power outage. Whether it's a blackout or a long-term grid failure, being prepared is crucial. First, plan your meals with foods that don't require refrigeration or cooking. Canned goods, dried fruits, and ready-to-eat meals are great staples. For cooking, a portable camping stove or a propane burner can be a lifesaver. Just make sure to use them in well-ventilated areas. Another option is outdoor cooking methods like grilling or using a solar oven. These are excellent for off-grid living and provide alternatives when the power's out. Remember, safety first, never cook indoors with gas-powered equipment. Having a plan for food prep and cooking during emergencies helps ensure you stay nourished and safe. Keep your food storage organized and your cooking methods practical. Hey, if you like this video and want more info on this topic, click on this video here. You can also get more life-saving information at isurvivethrive.com, and don't forget to subscribe to our I Survive Thrive YouTube channel. Check the description below this video for helpful links.